Hello and welcome to this Alesis tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to redeem the Drumeo drum lessons trial that comes bundled with your Alesis Nitro Max electronic drum kit. So let's dive right in. First, let's redeem your Drumeo trial and set up your Drumeo account. Your Drumeo trial redemption code can be found on a card in the packaging for your Nitro Max kit. Locate the card in the box and keep it handy. You can also scan the QR code on the card to go directly to the Drumeo site and have your serial code information filled in automatically. In your web browser, go to drumeo.com/Alesis. Scroll down and enter your code, as well as your email address and a password to create your Drumeo account. Then click Get Started. Now it's time to set up your Drumeo account. First, enter your display name and upload a profile picture if you wish. Click Next, and on the instrument page, select Drums. On the gear page, since you're using a Nitro Max kit, select E-Kit and click Next. On the experience page, pick your experience level, anywhere from beginner to advanced. On the genres page, pick any genres you're interested in to have your suggested Drumeo lessons tailored to your style and taste. Click Next, and finally, select some topics you'd like to focus your studies on. Then click Complete Your Account. Now your account is set up and your trial is active. Go ahead and explore the courses, songs, play-alongs, tips, upcoming events, and more that are now all available at your fingertips. Did you know that Drumeo also has an app? It's available for both iOS and Android devices. You can find download links in the description. Since the Nitro Max Kit's module has Bluetooth connectivity and a built-in device shelf, it's really easy to take Drumeo lessons on your mobile device via the app. First, with the module powered on, press the Bluetooth button, and it'll start blinking to indicate that it's in pairing mode. On your device, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, then in the Bluetooth device menu, find Alesis Nitro Max, and tap it to connect. The Bluetooth light on the module will be solid blue when a successful connection is made. Next, after downloading and logging into the Drumeo app on your device, you can start taking lessons. The audio from your connected device will play through both the module's headphone output and its main outputs. As always, you can find more walkthroughs and tutorials for your Nitro Max kit by going to alesis.com/support, where you'll find the Alesis knowledge base, as well as a portal to reach out to the Alesis technical support team. Thank you for watching, and have fun honing your skills with your Nitro Max kit and Drumeo.